Hello, welcome to this quick tutorial, hopefully quick, uh, on how to remove clips from a block and in turn be able to make floating water in Trackmania. So if you don't know what I mean, I'll show you in a little bit, but before we do, make sure you have OpenPlanet installed and set your signature mode to developer. We'll need this to be able to access the system tab up here and the Node Explorer, which will be important for this. So let's go into the editor. Now that you're in the editor, select the block you want to modify. For this tutorial, I'll be using, what's this called? Deco Wall Water Base. And make sure you have it selected in your cursor. You can do Ghost Block or regular block mode. Doesn't matter. Go to System, Not Explorer. Go down a tab and go to Editor. And go to Current Block Info. And Variant Base Air. So you want to go Block Unit Infos, Index 1. And you can see that the tab here has the clip counts for the block if I were to modify it. And to do this, you have to spam click with your mouse and whatever number you want. For this, I'll be selecting 0. And you can see that the block is utterly messed up, but you can see that the change has been made. And if you'll see here, if I place the car inside the block, we have water physics, and this clip is now missing, so you can drive right through. This can be useful in a number of maps if you're willing to be patient enough to be able to work with this system. And as I said earlier, if you remove all the clips from this block specifically, wow, it's working way better with me now. I won't be needing this. You can place an invisible block that just has water physics. And you can use this to make your own, I suppose, custom water blocks, whatever you want, really. Yeah, I mean, you can just place this wherever you want and have a mix of whatever water block abomination you want to make. One thing to note, though, is that when you reopen the map in the editor after restarting the game, the blocks will be back to normal, as in the clips will be like they were if you had placed the blocks normally. So if you want to build like this, you have to do it all in one try. Or if anything, you'd have to be willing to rebuild the map from scratch if you were to have to leave and join back. I've had to done that I've had to do that a few times previously, but I'd say it's well worth it for the interesting mapping types possible. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Another thing to note is that if you are to validate and publish a map with these changes, as long as the people open the map in the regular play mode, like online or anything, as long as they're not opening it in the editor, then the map will be normal, like as normal as this is right now, is the point I'm getting at. And yeah, that's pretty much all you need to know on how to remove clips and in turn make floating water. So have fun with that information. See ya.